Hey there, future tech leaders. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could shape your career? Are you ready for an incredible opportunity that could open doors to your future? Do you want to gain valuable skills and experience that will set you apart in the competitive job market? Then listen up. Accenture is offering a fantastic online internship program designed just for you. And guess what? It's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. No cost at all. This is your chance to dive into the exciting world of technology and consulting and explore new horizons. Get ready to learn, grow, and connect with industry experts, all from the comfort of your own home. Imagine the possibilities. This isn't just another internship. It's a launchpad for your career, a stepping stone to your future success. Accenture is a global giant in consulting and technology, with a presence in over 120 countries. They're known for their innovative work and commitment to developing talent, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With this internship, you'll get a front row seat to how Accenture tackles real-world challenges, solving problems that matter. You'll learn from the best and build skills that employers are looking for, making you a sought-after professional in the industry. The Accenture Online Internship is a structured program designed to give you practical experience in a variety of fields. It's delivered entirely online so you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, making it incredibly flexible. The program combines interactive modules, real-world case studies, and hands-on projects to ensure a comprehensive learning experience. You'll get to apply what you learn in a simulated work environment which closely mirrors real-world scenarios. But it's not just about watching videos and reading materials. You'll engage in activities that challenge you to think critically. You'll collaborate with fellow interns from around the world, gaining diverse perspectives. You'll work together on projects, share ideas, and build your professional network, which is invaluable for your future career. The internship is designed to be engaging and interactive, mimicking a real-world work experience and preparing you for the professional world. This internship isn't just about theory. It's about giving you in-demand skills that you can use right away. You'll get a taste of different areas within Accenture. This might include strategy, consulting, digital, technology, or operations. The program focuses on developing critical thinking, problem-solving, and communication skills. You'll learn how to analyze data, develop solutions, and present your ideas effectively. The internship also emphasizes building your digital skills. You'll gain experience with the latest technologies and tools used in the industry today. Real-world ready, putting your skills to the test. The Accenture Online Internship isn't just about lectures and modules. You'll get to apply your newfound knowledge through hands-on projects and simulations. You might work on a case study for a real Accenture client, or develop a technology solution for a hypothetical business challenge. These tasks are designed to challenge you, help you grow, and give you a taste of what it's like to work at Accenture. You'll receive feedback on your work from experienced professionals, helping you improve and refine your skills. Your future starts now. Benefits of the Accenture Online Internship. Completing this internship comes with a bunch of benefits. First and foremost, you'll receive a certificate from Accenture. This valuable credential demonstrates your commitment to professional development and enhances your resume. The skills you learn will make you a more competitive candidate for future job applications. But the benefits go beyond just a certificate. You'll also gain valuable experience that can help you stand out in the job market. The internship provides a fantastic opportunity to network with professionals from Accenture and beyond. You'll make connections with potential mentors and future colleagues. Plus, the flexibility of an online program means you can balance the internship with your studies or other commitments. You'll have the chance to work on real-world projects, gaining hands-on experience that is highly valued by employers. Additionally, you can update your professional profiles with new skills and experiences, making you more attractive to potential employers. By the end of the program, you'll not only have a certificate, but also a wealth of knowledge and a network of professional contacts. So, take the first step towards a brighter future with the Accenture Online Internship. So, what are you waiting for? The Accenture Online Internship is a fantastic opportunity to gain valuable skills, experience, and connections, all for free. It's a chance to boost your resume, build your professional network, and get a taste of what it's like to work for a global leader like Accenture. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your future. Apply for it by clicking the link provided in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe for more such exclusive content.